Hey, good morning everybody, it's Dan from Dan and Bree's Adventures. We're taking the camper out. I'm not in the best of conditions right now. Just came back from a work trip and I think I caught a bug on the plane. But anyway, we're going to have fun. We're heading up to the Mogollon Rim. We don't know which lake we're going to go to yet, but we're going to stop, get some gas, some food, and then head out. Please join us, thanks. Ready to go camping? Alright, so we made it to camp. We're somewhere at the Mogollon Rim. I don't know exactly where. We had to find a spot because it was so crowded. See over there? There's some campers over there. There's campers over there. It's windy, so I haven't put up the awning yet. There's Bree getting ready to put up the shitter. Oh, so beautiful. Camping is a life for me. It's probably, I don't know, I think like in the low 70s. There's a nice breeze, some clouds in the sky, but mostly blue. Yep, it's perfect. Some dinner. We got some filet, a pound of cooked shrimp, and we're gonna make this cilantro lime rice. Delicious. We're going to add the filet. Black pepper. Lemon juice. Some parsley. All right. So the meat's all done. Now we're just going to add it to the rice. And then we want to bring it to a boil. I love the skottle. To clean it, all you have to do is just boil water. Then you move the spatula around in a circular motion and it right off. So much easier than cast iron. It's looking good. We're gonna let it simmer for 20 minutes, then we're gonna add the shrimp. It's looking good. All right, so now we're gonna add the shrimp. Oh, that looks so good. Now the shrimp was pre-cooked. I just put a little grill on it, add some spices, warm it up. And now we wait 5 more minutes and it should be good to go. All right, she's all done. There you go, all done. I forgot to get a lime. Normally I'd put like a little lime wedge in there. Bon appetit. All right, well, we just finished dinner. We just finished cleaning up. I'm going to show you that stove again. So it's the Coleman Gladiator series. And I put my Overland Bound sticker on there. It's got a nice carry handle. It's got the hyper flame. And it's pretty rugged. First time I've used it, I got it all scratched up. I've got my day quill and my night quill. Here's the back setup. Dishes, after hours, paper towel, cooler, dry goods, all kinds of other stuff. Generator toolbox, fish and tackle. So here's our nighttime setup. Got the TV going. We were actually able to pick up 18 channels. Love that antenna.
So they come into the restaurant, they say, you know, my brother.
All right, good morning. I just woke up. I sound like crap. I slept really well though. Bree's brushing her teeth, and I'm gonna make some coffee. To open up the FOX WING awning finally. So this is the tube I put on. And then I got the pole. These are all the different guide ropes, and this is how you attach the end of it to the trailer. Okay, down here's your zipper. There's your secure straps. Take those down. Alright, so over here you've got another security tab. So you pull that up, then you pull these out, and now you just walk it around. So you just wrap this around there, and then you loosen up whatever you need. Put this over the end, and we'll tighten that back up once we get the legs in. So So I'll just plug these right in the end. I think that's a good starting point. Just ready to build the straps now. And just put the loop around. And there you go, simple as that. So these are the extra guide ropes and stakes you have. If it's really windy, you can tie it off again. Or if it's raining, that'll help with drainage. And one other thing I want to point out, this here, oh, it's stuck on something. But this is actually a rain gutter. So you would stake it down and the rain drips down that way instead of by your camper. Now making some scrambled eggs with peppers, onions, and some chicken jerk. There we go. Breakfast is served.
Oh, hummingbird.
And I just got it all on film. All right, so everything's all packed up. We're gonna head down to the lake and see if Bree can actually catch a fish this time. Keep your fingers crossed. Alright, so we're all packed up, ready to go. I didn't do much last night, didn't even have dinner. I felt so crappy, we just went to bed. But we're all ready.